When you're dealing with those deep, compacted blackheads and the really stubborn DPOWs that seem to anchor themselves beneath the surface, the first thing to understand is that they don't form overnight. These are buildups that develop slowly as oil, dead skin, and debris settle deeper into the pore and harden over time. That's why they don't respond to quick scrubbing or a single cleanse. They need preparation, patience, and the right kind of softening before they loosen enough to lift out. Think of the pore like a tiny tunnel. If the material inside becomes dense and dry, it clings to the walls and resists pressure. But when those contents are warmed and hydrated, they expand slightly, become more flexible, and release far more easily without the risk of trauma. The mistake most people make is assuming stubbornness requires force. In reality, too much pressure on a hardened plug only irritates the surrounding skin and can create more congestion later. The goal is controlled pressure, not aggressive squeezing. Softening is what does most of the work. A warm compress, a gentle steamer, or even a hydrating mask can signal the pore to relax. Once the skin feels supple, that's when a slow, steady technique can coax out what's been stuck there for far too long. You're not forcing it out, you're inviting it out. And when something still resists, that's your cue to pause. Not every pore is ready in that moment. Giving it more time to soften protects your barrier and prevents the swelling and redness that make the area look worse. After the extraction, the pore needs support. Hydration is a crucial step people often skip. When skin dries out afterward, the pore tightens unevenly and refills faster. A soothing, lightweight moisturizer or calming gel keeps the area balanced so it can settle back into its normal rhythm. Consistency is what makes the difference between temporary clearing and long-lasting smoothness. When you maintain a routine that keeps the pores soft, clean, and hydrated, you prevent those compacted plugs from reforming. It's the steady maintenance that trains your skin to stay clear, not a single extraction session. Everything works better when the skin is treated with patience and respect, because clear pores are never about force. They're about strategy.